Yeah, let us start session. So yesterday's class, day one. Yeah, so this yesterday's session. Yeah, let me share this one. Day one, first April, 8:15 a.m. Save this one. Okay. So yesterday session, nothing discussed. All introductions discussed. In yesterday's session, all introductions only, like about myself, about your course, yes, course content, and the prerequisite to learn this course, and what next after this course. These things discussed yesterday. Okay. Yeah. So just quick review on the yesterday session. Just within 2 minutes, I'll finish that review, yesterday session, and then we'll go to new topic today. So about myself, yeah, this is Nageswar Rao. Yes, having 20 plus years of experience. Yes, my area of experience, Java full stack developer, next big data and Hadoop, next Spark area. So next Linux, Python, databases. This is my area of experience. Totally 16 projects completed. Out of 16 projects, 12 projects on Java, 4 projects on Hadoop and Spark. Current projects, just we are working on e-commerce projects. It's a Java projects, e-commerce, Java projects. Current working company, Siletech Private Limited, Hyderabad only here. This is, yes, my role, principal Java full stack developer. So my role in these projects, yes, principal Java full stack developer in this company. Yes, development as well as training experience. Not only development here, development more than 20 years of experience. Not only development, training also I have very good experience. Training since last 5 to 6 years, I'm taking online classes for Durgasoft. Morning one session, evening 2 sessions I'm taking. That's it. Rest of the day, office work. Next, so Monday to Tuesday. So Monday and Tuesday, yes. Yes, it's a hybrid system. I should go to office here. So next work from home, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Okay, right? Yes, I was in ESA for 2 years. Sorry, 4 years. So 2012 to 2016. This is about myself. Okay. Yes, lot of experience on Java. Very strong experience in Java and its frameworks and project development. And training also very good experience. Next about our core Java, time 8 to 9:30. Okay. So next week I can make it 7:45 to 9:15 a.m. Next, not now, next week only this is. On the request of students, I can make it 7:45 to 9:15 a.m. because some students are going to office. So for working professionals, they wanted to start early 15 minutes. So I can make it 7:45 to 9:15 a.m. next week. This is next week, not now. Yes, total duration 75 days. 75 days, 65 sessions. 65 sessions, Monday to Saturday classes. Only Sunday holiday. I never give the holidays. Okay, only Sunday holiday. Okay, never canceling classes. Every day I will take the class. That is my dedication. Okay, at any cost, I'll finish batch within 75 days. So community time is community time. Never dragging course. Okay, 3 demo classes free of cost. Free of cost, you can take it. Okay. Yes, after 3 demo classes, you can decide it. Or else you can talk to your friends who attended my classes, previous batches. Yes, everyone says excellent. Yes, simply hear my name calling as MN Rao. MN Rao classes, excellent. Then join into this batch. Okay. Yes. So take the yes feedback from your friends, then join into this batch. Next, apart from this, daily recordings, the everyday recordings, and the class documents, and daily code. What are the code developed? That daily code will be shared with you. Yes, apart from that, yes, interrogations, test papers, and assignments. So these all of these things sharing to your Gmail, sometimes maybe WhatsApp. Sharing with you every day, sharing with you. Okay. So next, sometimes covering real-time scenarios also. Depends on situations, topic. I'll be covering yes, real-time scenarios also. Okay. So this is about your course information, right? So daily 90 minutes class. Okay. So 8 to 9:30. This week 8 to 9:30. Next week I can make it 7:45 to 9:15 a.m. Okay. Yes, 75 days at any cost, I'll finish it here. At any cost. Yes, about fee. Someone is asking for fee also. Fee is just only 4,000. Okay. So that's all about your course information. Course information. Next, course content. It's a course Java. Yes, after finishing course Java, anyone wanted to continue for Java full stack, you can continue. Okay. Yes, full stack. Advanced Java, frameworks, and all that I'll be taking. Those topics also myself only here. You can continue for next level also. Okay. So here in this course Java, first initially software basics. See, directly not starting Java. Before going to Java, there are some software basics. Before going to Java, there are some software basics here. First, we'll discuss about software basics, like about operating system, about system software, about application software, front end, back end, languages, okay, low level language, high level language, interpreter, compiler, like that. There are some software basics. So once finished, next starting Java basics. In Java basics, data types, Java operators, control statements, arrays with data structures, and then methods. So these are Java basics. Yes, in Java basics here itself, in control statements, arrays, this area, yes, I'm going to cover 100 plus programs. So you can main focus on coding skills and logic building. So you can main focus on coding skills and logic building. So this is for 1 month. So 1 month completely focus on coding skills. First 1 month focus on coding skills. Next, how to build your logic, improving improving your logics and thinking skills. Okay. Yes, and thinking skills also. Thinking skills. Thinking skills. Thinking skills. So once you good at all of these things, then easy to understand this. Easy to understand Java. Every developer, maybe Java developer, .NET developer, Python developer, okay, maybe Salesforce developer, all the developers, coding skills are very, very important. For every developer, coding skills are very, very important. Okay. Yes, I'll make you expert in coding. I'll make you expert in coding. Once you become expert, then moving to Java hoops. Okay. So here 100 plus programs in Java hoops also. 100 plus programs will be covered here. See Java hoops topics. Encapsulation, data abstraction, constructors, method overloading, inheritance, method overriding, next access, expression modifiers, abstract classes, interfaces, polymorphism, garbage collection, nested classes. So these are hoops. It's a hoops concept. Once hoops completed, then strings, string buffer, string build, string related topics, string operations, and exception handling. Next, collections. Most important topic is collections. Okay, so you are more focusing more on collections here. Yes, it's very big topic. Yesterday I showed the document here. Okay, around 50 scenarios I have prepared in collections. 50 scenarios in real-time usage. Next, input and output streams, file handling. This is also big topic. This is also big topic. CSV files, Excel files, PDF files, JSON data files, even XML files also. XML files. How to handle all these files. Okay, next networking, TCP and UDP applications here. Next multi-threading, and finally Java 8 features. Last 1 week, completely Java 8 features. Completely Java 8 features. Okay. Next, apart from 24/7 support is available. Any point of time you can ping me. Okay, I can give support. WhatsApp support is available. WhatsApp. You can ping me. Yes, I can give the support. 24/7. Anytime you can call me or you can ping me. Yes, I can solve your issues. Yes, in code, any issues getting, I can solve it. Okay. Next, so prerequisites to learn this one here, nothing required. To learn Java, nothing required. Even non-IT background students also can learn it here. Non-IT background students also can learn it. Okay, also can learn it. Like, civil background, engineering civil, BTech civil or mechanical, even pharma background, even commerce background also you can learn. It's not a big thing. So learning Java is not a big thing. See, most of the trainers says that Java is tough. No, Java is not a tough. Even most of students feel that Java is tough. No, I'll make it easy. Okay, Java is very simple and easy. I'll make it easy. So once you see my classes, once you completed course, you feel that Java is very simple. Okay, I'll make it very easy here. Okay, my way of training is like that. My way of training is like that. I'll make it everything easy. Just only English, understanding English enough. I'm not expecting anything from you guys, just understanding English enough here. If you understand English, then easy to understand Java. It's not a big thing here. Okay, so what next after this course? As a fresher, you can apply for the jobs. After finishing course of as a fresher, you can apply. So that case, I will give the resume, prepare a modify resume as per requirements and forward, apply for the jobs. Or I can forward your resume. I can give the references. Yes, if any openings in our company, I can give reference. Okay. Next, even in my network, yes, I have a lot of experience, 20 years of experience. 20 years, I worked with different clients, different companies. Yes, in any openings are there, I'll inform you. I can refer you, right? The thing is you have to work on it. Yes, you must have good coding skills, okay, and concepts. Okay, right? Yes, sir. So as a fresher, or else you can continue for Java full stack development course. After finishing course Java, you can continue for this. Okay, right? Or else you can go with some tools like Selenium tool, Android tool, Salesforce, Hadoop and Spark, SAP tools, Oracle EBS tool. Like there are different tools available in market here. Java based tools. Many tools available. Java based. Okay, many tools available. You can go with tools here. Okay. Yes, if you feel Java full stack, time taken. So Java full stack, time taken, no doubt. Minimum 6 months will be taken. If you feel Java full stack taking more time, then you can go with tools here. These tools also available jobs, many openings available. Selenium, many openings available. Android openings available. Salesforce. Salesforce, lot of openings are there. I can recommend Salesforce. Okay. I'm recommending Salesforce. Salesforce, lot of jobs available. So once course are finished, you can start your Salesforce. Yes, you can go to Salesforce. I can recommend out of all of these things here, Salesforce is the best one. Okay. Yes, if you good at course, you can go to Salesforce. Okay. Yeah. So this is about yesterday's session. So that's all about yesterday's session. All introductions completed. Yesterday, all introduction completed. Yes. So this is day one. So day one. Yes. What are the day one promised? This one I'll share with you. So this text file I will share with you. Yes. Suppose still if you want to check this course content, this course content. Yes. Go to Durga Soft online batches. Here, go to Google. In Google, search for Durgasoft online batch. Durgasoft new batches. Sorry, Durgasoft new batches. search for it. Durgasoft new batches. Here, open that. New batches. Okay, new batches. In this new batches here. Yes, see. Yes, core Java. Core Java with Java 8 features. Mr. Nagesh. Okay. Yes, no other trainers taking Java. Myself only here. Durgasoft, only online classes. Of course, offline somebody is taking. Okay, online classes myself only here. No one taking care. So, Mr. Nageswara, 22nd April today. So, course content. Course content. So, this is course. Click here, you can see. First module, initially, first 1 month topics, this is. So, 100 plus programs covered here. So, all these topics here. Next, OOPS concept. That OOPS module. OOPS. After strings related topics. Next, exceptional handling topic. And then collection framework. Collection framework. Collection framework. Okay. And then input output streams. Check it. That micro level topics, every topic I have mentioned here. Every topic is there here. So networking, multi-threading. Next, apart from the interview questions. Okay, next, real-time practical scenarios, 200 plus programs, live explanation, and daily assignments here, 5 test papers I'll share with you. Apart from the Java 8 features. Java 8 features. Here in this course, just we are highlighting Java 8 features. Main focus on Java 8 features. Last 1 week completely Java 8 features. Okay, Java 8 features. So that's all about yesterday's session. Just you go through this content once again. Go through this content once again. Okay, still if you need any extra topic, just you tell me, I'll cover that. Course or related topic, any topic is missing. Course or related topics, anything is missing, just you ask me, I'll cover it. No problem. Okay. Yes, I have a lot of experience. I worked with everything in Java. Okay, I worked with everything in Java. Okay, fine. Yes, tell me, Sanjay. Yeah, you can speak.
Hi, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
Yeah. Hi, sir. I have one question. Latest Java versions in the market are like above
Yeah,
17
yeah,
and 21
yeah,
it's
I know
happening.
that.
How
Yeah,
Java 8 is useful
yeah,
for
once.
that few
So
because the
presently,
developments are
one,
going with this.
yeah, once again. Presently, industry using Java 7 and 8 only. Java 9 onwards is not a successful versions. They introduced Java, different features in it, but industry using 7 and 8 only. So most of the companies using Java 8 only here. Java 9 not started yet. Yes, even in our company also we are using Java 8. Okay, most of the companies using Java 8 only here. Still some companies using Java 7. Okay, Java 9 onwards not yet using here. So you don't worry. No company asking about other versions. Up to Java 8 is enough here. If you good at Java 8 fish, that is enough. Okay. Yes, in Java 8, we have the streams. Java 8 streams are very important. The streams you have to focus. That's enough. Okay, of course, other features also I'll give the overview. Java 9, 10, 11, other, yes, completely overview I can give it. Yes, in document prepared already. Java 9, Java 10, 11, 12, 13,
Mm.
those features also. Yes, I have listed. Just I'll give the overview, but practically we'll discuss up to 8. Practically up to 8.
Okay.
Remaining are just overview only. Yes, no company using other versions. Maximum Java 8 only here. Clear? So don't worry about it.
Ac-
Okay.
Actually, just why I'm asking this
Yeah.
question, sir. I'm working on a cloud side. There are migrations happening. The applications which are in Java 8 or lower versions in that, I mean, from my client, they are suggesting to migrate it to Java 17 and above versions and then do migrations to cloud and then furthermore. So that's why I'm
Yeah.
asking, if we
Yeah.
know Java 8, is it manageable to do everything
Yeah.
above
Yeah.
versions or
Yeah. 100%. Java 8 above versions will
okay?
support Java 8 features, right? Java 8 is enough. Okay. Yes, even above versions are there. Yes,
Okay.
even that versions that features may not be using, but Java 8 features using above versions also. Okay, right? We can, no issue. Okay. Yeah. Yeah,
Okay.
right. So even 9, 10, 11, those versions also overview, I will cover it. What are the features? So what is the advantage of the features and all that I will cover it. But here practically we'll discuss up to 8. Practical expression up to 8. Practically in Eclipse I'll show up to 8. So remaining all are overview I'll explain. Java 9 features, what are the features added in Java 9, 10, 11, those things I'll explain definitely. Okay. Yes, today topic, same thing I'm going to explain this is. So what are the things, what are the versions we'll be covering? The same thing today we are going to discuss. Okay. Yeah. So this is about yesterday's session. Okay. Yes. Now let us start day 2. Today day 2. Today day 2. Yes, it's a Java overview today. Okay. Today Java overview. Yes. Tomorrow I'll start from the basics. Yes. 1 second. Yes. Java document. So 20th April updated document, recently updated document. So this is your class document. So this is your class document. This is for you only. I'll share with you. This document I'll share. Yeah, this is yes, 860-page document. 860-page document. In this document, yes, more than 300 scenarios I have prepared. So programming and coding and all that, more than 300 programs you can see in this document. Same thing I'll explain for you. So this is your document here. So starting from the basics, introduction to software and all the basics. So this topic starting from tomorrow. So before that, today we'll discuss about Java overview, complete Java. So what is exactly Java? Java contains what? What are the versions of Java? Different versions, complete overview today we'll discuss. So yesterday, course introduction completed. Today, Java overview we'll discuss. Tomorrow, I'm going to start from the scratch. Tomorrow I'll be starting from the scratch. Yeah, today let us see about Java overview. Okay, so completely Java overview. So Java overview today. Yes, today's agenda. Java overview. Yes, this first of all, what is Java? So what is Java? Yes, next. So what is Java? Yes, next. So why Java? Sorry, what is Java? Next, Java history. We'll discuss different versions of Java. That history we'll discuss. Java history. Next, Java, why Java has yes this much of popularity? Why Java has this much of popularity? This much of popularity. Why Java has this much of popularity? Next, what is present position of Java? What is present position? What is present position of Java? And then what is feature of Java? What is feature? So today we'll discuss about complete these things here. So this is today's agenda. So about just it's a Java, about Java overview. Tomorrow I'll start from the basics. So before going to Java, there are some software basics. Okay. Tomorrow I'll start from the scratch. Like what is a software? What is system software? What is application software? And then what is OS? How OS is working? How Java program running on top of OS? Okay. These things. Yes, and about front end, about back end, about languages and packages, low level language, high level languages, next generation of computers, like present generation processor based feature AI based computer. How AI based computer working? Yes, I'll explain that also. How AI is working, that also we'll discuss. AI on AI, just I'll explain about half an hour on AI. In tomorrow class, I'll explain this. So what is feature? In future, AI-based computers, what happens and all that, I'll explain in tomorrow session. And then low-level languages, next high-level languages, Next, interpreter and compilers. So these are basics. After finishing all these basics, starting Java. So this is tomorrow. Tomorrow I'll start from the scratch. Tomorrow starting from the scratch. Today completed Java overview we'll discuss. Today completed Java overview. Like what is Java? So what is exactly Java? Java history, version wise. That history I'll explain. Next, why Java has this much of popularity? See in markets, yes, everyone talking about Java. In software, everyone talking about Java. Everyone okay, talk Java, right? So why Java has this much of popularity? Yes, compared to any other technology, Java is the most popular technology. Since 25 years, Java is going on. Since such a long period. Okay, no technology sustained for such a long period. So because of that reason, Java is the most popular. Okay, so why is that popularity? What's the reason and all that we'll discuss. Next, what is present position of Java? Suppose learning Java, okay. Okay, with lot of patience and with lot of work and all this, learning Java, finally can I get the job or not? What is present position of Java? A job openings available or not? Maybe having this doubt. Learning Java for 6 months, right? Okay, complete Java full stack may be taking for 6 months. Of learning 6 months, can I get the job or not? Okay, of learning just only core Java itself, can I get the job or not? Maybe like that, there are many doubts, right? Okay, yes, now what is position, present position? That also I'll explain very clearly. Next, what is feature of Java? So what is feature? So what is feature of Java? Suppose of learning, getting job, after getting job on Java, so started working on Java. Suppose for how long I can sustain in Java? Maybe that is also doubt. Feature in future, what happens to Java? See, so nowadays most of the technologies and coming and going just within 1 year only is maybe outdated technology, right? So every time changing technology is not easy. So updating, learning new technology is not easy. Same technology version updating, it's easy. Okay. So with Java, since 25 years going on, so we are updating versions, that's it. But we are not changing technology. Okay. Suppose if you're choosing different technologies, maybe outdated within 1 or 2 years, right? That scenario, yes. Is it comes in Java? Yes. What is the feature Java here? Okay, so once you started Java career, there should be long career, right? Long lasting career, at least minimum 10 to 15 years. Okay, then yes, easy, right? So like that. So these all of these things we can discuss. Today I will explain about all of these things. Okay, so what is Java? About Java history. Yes, why Java has this much of popularity? What is present position? So what is future? In future, yes. So can I sustain Java for long periods like that here? So these are the questions today. So let us see. First of all, what is Java? Yes, simple question. What is Java? Yes, anyone can you answer this? What is your idea on Java here? What is Java? Yes, just I'm asking you. Of course, I'll explain. So what is your idea on Java? What is your opinion on Java? Anyone? What is Java? Tell me. What do you know about Java? Anyone? Yes, someone saying, someone pinging, I think. Yes, Java is a high level language. Sai is saying that Java is a high level language. Harish saying that it's a one of the programming language. So high level language, programming language. And next, yes, good answers. Next, yes, right ones run anywhere. That is features. Those are right ones run anywhere. Those are independent of platform, portability, and all the features. What is exactly Java? Yes. So Java is a high level language, correct. Next, programming language, correct. Next, anyone? Any others? What do you know about Java? Yeah, simple. I'll tell you. What is Java means? Simple answer. Java is an object-oriented programming language. What is Java means? Is OOP language. So one of the OOP languages. We have many OOP languages like C++, Java, .NET, C Sharp, Python, Scala. Like that, we have many OOP languages. So Java is one of the most popular OOP language. Java is a most popular OOP language. Compared to any other OOP language, Java is the most popular. Okay. Java is a OOP language. Simply, what is Java means? Simply one answer is it's a OOP language. OOP. OOP stands for, yes, here OOP stands for Object Oriented Programming. OOP stands for Object 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 Oriented Programming. OOP stands for Object Oriented Programming. Yes, OOP stands for Object Oriented Programming. There are many OOP languages like C++, .NET C Sharp, and next Python, Scala, Java, like that. There are many OOP languages. So one of the OOP language, Java is one of the OOP language. Very strong. Java is very strong in OOPs. Java is very strong in OOPs. Okay, right? Yes. And then Java history. Yes, in Java history, let us see different versions of Java. What are the versions are there in Java? We'll discuss Java history. Yes, about Java history. See, JDK. JDK stands for Java Development Kit. 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 Yes, JDK is a Java software. Here, JDK is a Java software. Java software. Yes, we can call it JDK, Java software. It's a Java software. JDK. So JDK is Java software. Okay. So here initially called as Sun JDK, now calling as Oracle JDK. Initially Sun JDK. Initially Sun JDK. Now it's a Oracle JDK. It's a Oracle JDK. Right. Here let us see that history here. See initially, yes, initially Java development is started by James Gosling. Initially Java development started by James Gosling. James Gosling. James Gosling. Okay. So James Gosling is an author of Java. Yes, who is author of Java? Yes, maybe facing this question, or freshers may be facing this interview question. Okay, freshers may be facing this question here. Yes, who is author of Java? James Gosling. Yes, he's an author of Java. He's an author of Java. He's an author of Java. So initially, yes, initially Java development started by James Gosling. So James Gosling is an author of Java. Is an author of Java. Okay. So why named as Java? Yes, in next session I'll explain. So once started Java, that time I'll explain. Java. Actually, Java this is the name of the some island. Java is the name of some island. Java is the name of island. That island is popular for the coffee. Okay, island is famous for coffee. Okay, so coffee related name. The Java is a coffee related. Java is a name of the island which is famous for the coffee. Okay, so why coffee? Why coffee related name? So learning Java and working Java like a drinking coffee. Okay, like a drinking coffee. Yes, the Java logo, you can see that coffee logo, right? Java. See. So here learning Java and working with Java. The Java logo. So this is right, coffee. The coffee logo, right? So learning Java, working Java is like a drinking coffee. Based on thinking only, given that name. Okay. So Java. Yes, it's a name. Yes, name of island. That island is famous for the coffee. So based on thinking only, named as Java. That's it here. Nothing is in the history here. Java name. Java is the name of the island which is famous for coffee. So learning Java and working Java is like a drinking coffee. Okay. Generally, US, what happens? They are crazy about coffee. In US, they are very crazy about coffee. Okay. They will take a lot of coffee. Okay. See, in India, yes, we'll take just only cup of coffee, right? Cup. Our cup is just 100 ml cup, right? 100 or 50 ml cup. But their cup is half liter cup. Minimum half liter they will take the coffee. Yes, I was there for 4 years. I observed they are very crazy about coffee. Minimum half liter coffee they will take. Okay, half liter we can't, right? Yes, we can just only 50 ml or max 100 ml coffee. We'll take it. but they are very crazy about coffee. Yes, everyone, yes, who are in yes, they are very crazy about coffee. So minimum half liter coffee. Okay. Yes, I used to observe my colleagues in US. So minimum half liter coffee they used to take it. Okay. They're very crazy about coffee. So drinking coffee, taking coffee, yes, they will like it. Same Java. So learning Java, working is like a, same like a taking coffee. So based on that, here named as Java. That's it here. Nothing, no history for this. Simply history is like that. Okay. Yeah, Java naming is like that. Okay. Yeah. So James Gosling is an author of Java. Okay, right? Yes, later, yes, Java taken over by Sunsoft, sorry, Sun Microsystems, Sunsoft and Sun Microsystems, not Sunsoft, Sun Microsystems. Sunsoft company also there. Sunsoft is a Sun Microsystems. They have the two companies, Sunsoft and Sun Microsystems. Okay. So later the Java taken over by Sun Microsystems. Sun Microsystems. Okay. And yes, released as Sun Java. Yes, released as Sun Java in the market. Sun Java in the market here. Sun Java in the market. In the market. So initially called as Sun Java in the market. Okay, right? Yes. First version of Java. When first version of Java released, JDK 1.0 is a first version of Java. Is a first version. First version of Java. Is a first version of Java. Java released. Yes, released. Released. Released in the year. Yes, 1996. Okay, 1996. Yes, JDK 1.0 first version of Java released in the year 1996. So before 96, there is alpha and beta versions. Alpha and beta versions are 1995. See alpha and beta versions. And alpha and beta versions released 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 in the year. Yes, alpha and beta versions released in the year 1995. Okay, so generally considering only first version. Alpha, beta, alpha means first tested version. Alpha is a first tested version. Beta means final tested version. Before going to release to public, some versions here, alpha and beta versions. Alpha is a first tested version. Yes, beta is a final tested version before release to public. So JDK 1.0 is a first version of Java released in the year 1996. Okay. See, releasing to public. Yeah, there are two things here. One second. I'll tell you two things here. Here, there's a project and product. There are two things. In software, there are two things here. Project and product. What is project? What is product? Anyone idea? So, Java project, product, software project and software product. Software project, software product. Anyone have the difference idea? What is product? What is project? So, for example, Zoom app is a product. Windows OS is a product. Linux OS is a product. WhatsApp is a product. Okay. Yes. Facebook is a product. Right? What is it? Sorry. Facebook is not. Yes. Yeah. Facebook is a project. Sorry. Facebook is a project. WhatsApp is a product. Okay. Zoom app is a product. So project. So Flipkart is a project. Amazon online services is a project. Okay. Online applications are projects. Banking applications are projects. What's the difference? Project and product. In software, there are two things, project and product. What's the difference? See, product. Okay, I'll explain. Product. So this is for public release. Okay, public release. Yes. So who are interested in product, they will purchase and using here. Product. Who are interested in that product, they will purchase and using that product. That is for public, for everyone. Product is for the public, for everyone who are interested. Okay, who are yes interested, they will purchase that product and using that here. For example, Zoom. Who are interested in Zoom, yeah, they will pay for the Zoom. Yeah, they will take the pay. They will take the Zoom application. Okay, right? Windows OS. Who are interested to use Windows OS, We are taking license and using Windows OS, right? Okay. So Windows next WhatsApp. Who are interested in WhatsApp, they will use, right? What is project here? So product is for the public. Okay, who are interested, they will take the license and using that here. It's a product is common for all. Product is common for all. Yes, project means this is for the specific client. Projects. Yes, it is for specific client. Specific specific client. Specific client, right? For example, Flipkart, it's a project. So Flipkart, they have developed on projects and using for their business purpose. Okay. So here Flipkart, their own business purpose. That is not a public one. Okay, that is not a public. Amazon online services. That is a their own product, their own project. Okay, not for others. Okay. Next GeoMart application, right? That is only for their, right? Not for public. Okay. So the project banking applications, different banks, their applications, their projects here, only their own purpose, not for the public. That is product and project. So products, so this is for the public. Best example, Windows is a product. Who are interested with Windows OS, they will take the license and using the Zoom application. Who are interested, they will purchase license. Okay, then using Zoom application, right? So these are the products here. So product using by the public by taking license. Project is developing for the specific client. Specific client. Okay, right? That is product and project difference. Okay, fine. Yes, maybe products or projects. Yes, initially alpha and beta versions. So initial about product developed, product testing, initially tested alpha version, final tested beta version. So alpha and beta versions in the year 1995, Java alpha and beta versions in the year 1995. So later JDK 1.0 is a first version of Java released in the year 1996. So this is released to public. What is Java is a product? Java is a product. Okay. So who wanted to use Java, they can use. Of course, Java is a freeware. No licensing, nothing. Licensing is not necessary here. It's a freeware. At free of cost, you can use. Okay. Get free of cost, you can use. Next, one more thing here. Freeware. Freeware is there, open source is there. Open source different, freeware is different, not same. Don't think freeware, open source, both are same. So this is different, that is different here. Freeware means free of cost, downloading using free of cost. Open source means you can download that including source code. Including source code. Including source code you can download. For example, Linux is a open source. Linux OS developed in C language. Linux OS developed in C language. Linux OS you can download it, including programs behind of Linux OS. Like behind of Linux OS, all the C programming. Get that C source, the source code also you can download it. That is open source. Open source. Okay, open source means that software you can download including source code. Okay, that is open source. Is freeware means only free of cost using, but you can't get the source codes. For example, Java is a freeware, but not an open source. Java is a freeware, but not an open source. Like WhatsApp is a freeware, but not an open source. Linux is an open source, including source code, you can download it. Next, one more thing, all Apache Software Foundation products. Apache products are open source. For example, Hadoop. Hadoop is from the Apache Software Foundation, that is open source. Okay. Yes, most of the Apache products are open source, including source code, you can download it. See, Hadoop developed in Java. Hadoop developed in Java. Hadoop you can download it and you can source code also you can take it. Hadoop developed in Java, including the Java code, you can download the Hadoop. If you want to customize, you can customize the Hadoop as per requirement. That is open source. I think clear. Freeware open source is clear. Freeware means only downloading at free of cost and using, but source code is not available. Yes, open source means including source code, you can take it. That's the difference. Okay, fine. Now JDK 1.0 is a first version of Java released in the year 1996. 1996. Okay. So initial version 1.0. So 1.0 released 1.0 released with below features. With below features. Yes, below features. First, your initial features of Java 1.0 features. Yes, independent of platform, independent. Yes, most important. This is independent of platform, independent. Yes, independent of platform. Yes, independent of platform. Independent of platform, initial features. Independent of platform. Next, portability. Portability, portability, independent of platform, portability. Next, object-oriented programming features, hoop language features. And next, scalability, scalability, and then security. So these are initial features of the first version initially. Later, different versions, version-wise features we'll discuss. Version-wise features I'll explain. See, independent of platform, portability, hoop language, scalability, and security. So these are initial features. Okay. Yes. I'll take separate session on these features. Yes, minimum 1.5 hour session required to explain about independent of platform, portability, whoop language, and all that features. So one session, separate session, I'll take it. Yes, mostly in couple of days getting this is. Okay. Simple, just overview. Independent of platform means Java working any platform, means any hardware, any OS. Here platform means it's a combination of hardware and OS. Combination of hardware and OS is a platform. Java working with any hardware and any OS. That is independent of platform. Portability means Java application can be moved one platform to another platform without any changes. Without any changes, directly can move it. Okay, any platform. That application can be moved from one platform to another platform without any change. That is a portability. Okay. So how Java made us independent of platform? That is 90 minutes class. Yes, most important topic, very interesting topic. Okay. Yes, independent of platform and portability. These two features, because of these features, yes, because of first three features, Java has this much of popularity. Okay, independent of platform, portability, whoop language, because of these things, Java got this much of popularity. Popular reason mainly independent of platform, portability. Okay, yes, sir. So these features, I think day after once Java introduced, yes, sir. Maybe Friday topic this is. Yes, wonderful session. On Friday, I will explain a wonderful session. So how Java made us independent of platform, 90-minute session, excellent session. Okay, on Friday, I will cover that session. Okay. Yes, next is scalability. Scalability means, yes, handling any kind of challenges is scalability. Small, small scale transactions, large scale transactions, any kind of things handling is nothing scalable. Suppose, for example, I am a scalable means any kind of situations, any kind of environment I can work. Okay. Big challenges I can face, I can solve it. Okay. Even minor things also, no negligence, without negligence, I will work it. That is scalable. I am a scalable everywhere. Means depends on situations, I will work with any conditions. That is scalability. Java. Java can handle any kind of scenarios. Yes, even big challenges. Okay, large scale transactions or small scale transactions, any kind of scenarios Java can handle. That is scalability. Scalability meaning is that. Security. Java application. From Java application, getting security for your local resources means your personal files. Suppose any Java application running in your system, yes, there is no chance of data hacking. Java application never hacking your data. That is nothing but security. Yes, just overview given, just 5 minutes overview given. Yes, later I'll explain very clearly. Okay, I will take separate session on these features. So mostly this is Thursday or Friday getting these features topic. Okay. So 1.0 released with these features. That's okay, fine. Next, JDK 1.1, second version of Java. So this is in the year 1997. Okay. So JDK 1.1 in the year 1997. Yes, in JDK 1.1, what happened here? So in this here, Java divided. Sunsoft, they have divided. Sunsoft, they have divided Java, yes, into, yes, three editions. Three editions. Okay, actually totally four editions in Java. Totally four editions. In Java, there are four editions, but initially only three. Only three. Only three. First one, Java SE, Java Standard Edition, Java Standard Edition, Java Standard Edition, Java Standard Edition. Okay. Yes, next JEE, Java Enterprise Edition, Java Enterprise, Java Enterprise, Java Enterprise Edition, Java Enterprise Edition. And next JME, yes, Java Micro Edition, or even mobile edition also we can say. So these are three editions initially. So what is Java Standard Edition? I'll explain. Just wait. Java Enterprise Micro. Yes, about these editions we'll discuss. In couple of minutes, I'll explain. Okay. So in 1.1, Java divided into three editions. These three editions. That's okay. Next, JDK 1.2. Next version, JDK 1.2. Okay. So next, JDK 1.2. Next, JDK. So 1.3. Okay. Next 1.4. Next. So 1.5 from Java is from 1.5 onwards calling it Java 5. Naming changed. Okay. JDK 1.2, JDK 1.3, 1.4, 1.5. From 1.5 onwards calling it Java 5. Java 5, the naming changed. Java 5, Java 6, yes, Java 7, Java 7, next Java 8, Java 8, yes, Java 9, okay, Java 9, yes, next Java 10, like this, up to Java 22 released. Up to Java 22 released here. Up to Java 22 is available. See, in US, what happens here? Yes, every March month and September month, they will release the softwares. Okay, it's a condition in US. Any software releasing, it should be released in either March month or September month. March or September. March or September, right? Either March month or September. So here also, yes, Oracle Corporation simply just adding small features and releasing market. Small features only they are releasing as next version, next version. So like this, up to 22 they released. But industry using Java 7 and 8. Okay, that old support projects still in Java 7 and 6. Of course, that project may be migrating next level, Java 8 migration. Okay, that old projects, maybe Java 5 version project, Java 6 version, Java 7, these version projects are migrating to Java 8 now. Java 8. Okay, right? So currently industry using Java 8. Most of the companies using Java 8. See, since yes, 2017, we are using Java 8. Yes, in our office. Okay, in Silentech. In our company, we are using Java 8 since 2017. Okay, still we are using Java 8 only. Java 9 not started using here. Yes, in our company, yes, Java team is very big team. Okay, yes, in our company totally, yes, more than 1,000 resources available. More than 1,000 employees. We have companies different locations. Not only in Hyderabad, yes, in USA, Maryland. USA, Maryland, our office is there. Next, yes, in Chennai also, our company is there. Okay, USA and in India, Chennai, Mumbai, Hyderabad, and next, in Malaysia also, we have the office. Next, Netherlands. In Netherlands also, we have the branch. Next, in Australia, we have the branch. Okay, like that, different locations, we have the branches. Yes, in total, all this year, more than 1,000 employees are there. Out of 1,000 employees, 300 employees are Java resources. Yes, Java. 300 Java resources. Yes, around 200 resources are working on Oracle ERP. Yes, our company mainly Java-based company, and apart from Oracle ERP and Java, both. They're Oracle related. Java is a Oracle related, right? Okay. So Oracle ERP and Java. Our main focus on Oracle related products, all this. Okay. Yeah, fine. So since 2017, we are using Java 8. Okay. Right? Fine. See. So Java 5. So these are different versions here. See, version-wise features I'll explain. Up to Java 8, practically I'll explain. Practically, with examples, we'll discuss Java 8 features and all that. Correct? Java 9 to 22, I'll give the overview. After finishing core Java, final topic is Java 8 features. After finishing Java 8 features, last 1 week completely focus on Java 8. After finishing Java 8, remaining versions, yes, overview I'll explain. Not practically here, just overview I'll explain. Okay, fine. So these are different versions. Out of all these versions, Java 5 is the most important version. Java 5. Java 5 is a tiger version. This named as tiger version. That name is tiger version. Released, released, released in the year 2004. See, since 2000 year I'm working on Java. Since 2000 year I'm working on Java. See, first initially I worked on embedded C. See, 1993 to 1997 my engineering. Okay, engineering BTech. Yes, BTech from JNTU Hyderabad. Yes, Kukatpalli campus, JNTH. Okay, 1993 to 97 BTech from JNTU Hyderabad. Yes, 1997 to, yes, 2000 beginning. Yes, I worked on embedded C initially. Embedded C. Initially embedded Linux based embedded C. Yes, 2000 onwards started Java career. Yes, shifted to Java. Java career started. Yes, in the year 2000, I have taken right decision. Okay, I feel now what I'm feeling here. I took right decision in the year 2000. So because of Java, yes, cool. 25 years Java experience. So since 25 years, without any issues, I'm working on Java here. So need not change any technology. Just we are upgrading. That's it here. Without changing any technology. Technology, but we are upgrading. So cool life, happy life. So no tensions, nothing. Okay, right? Yeah. Okay, fine. So 93 to 97 engineering, BTech. See, that period, 93 year, getting BTech seat is not easy. That time we have only 360 seats. BTech compared science only 360 seats. Okay. That United Andhra Pradesh, only 360 seats. Yes, MSET. Yes. MSET that time I got 126 rank. So 126 rank. Because of that 126 rank, I got the seat in JNTU Hyderabad. Hyderabad, yes, computer science engineering. JNTU Hyderabad, computer science engineering because of this rank. Otherwise, no chance. Yes, I'm a general category. We see general category. So this is about myself. One more thing explained. Okay, fine. Yeah, leave it. Leave it. So here, since 2000 year, I'm working on Java. More than 20 years of experience on Java. So before that, IT experience 25 years. IT experience 20 years, 25 years here. So out of this Java, 20 plus years of experience. Embedded C, almost 3.5 years embedded C initially. Okay, fine. Yes, Java 5 is Java 5 is called as Tiger version, released in the year 2004. So almost every version of Java I worked. So every version of Java I worked. See, since 1993, I have the software awareness because I'm in computer science engineering. So since 1993, I have the software awareness. What was happened in the software field, I know that. Okay. So I think my experience and your age is same, right? I think you born, yes, maybe after 1995, 1996. Okay. My experience and your age may be same, I think. Okay. Yeah. Fine. So Java 5 is a Tiger version released in the year 2004. Yes, most important version. Java 5 is the most important version. Okay. Yes, in this version, many features, many features were added. In this version, many features were added. Okay. Yes, including fourth edition, including fourth edition, fourth edition JFX, fourth edition JFX, with Java FX, Java FX, Java FX, Java FX, right? Yes. So with Java 5 features, with this version, Java got the popularity market, got the success. Okay. Yes, with Java 5, yes, with Java 5 features, yes, it got the success. With Java 5, yes, finally Java got the success here. Java got the success. Success, right? success. Okay. Yes. By the year 2010, yes, most of the existing clients, most of the existing clients, yes, clients migrate Java. Reason I'll explain. Why migrate Java? I'll explain reason. So by the year 2010, most of the existing clients, yes, most of the existing clients were migrated to Java here. They have migrated. Okay. See, by the year 2010, most of the existing clients have migrated Java here. They have migrated to Java. So reason why they have migrated to Java. So before 2010, we have the Visual Basic projects, VC++ projects. Next, SAP and Oracle ERP projects, C and C++. So before 2010, C and C++ projects, Visual Basic projects, VC++ projects, and then Oracle ERP, SAP ERP. Those clients, most of those clients migrate to Java. Reason I'll tell you, just wait for some time. So why the clients migrate to Java? Reason I'll tell you, just wait for some time. Okay, right? Yes. So fine. So in Java 5, fourth edition added. So finally, Java divided. Java divided into four editions. Into four editions. Four editions. Finally, Java divided to four editions. Four editions. So these three editions plus effects, Java effects. Yes, fourth one, yes, JFX, Java effects, Java effects, Java effects, right? So these are total finally here Java four editions. Out of these four editions, we are using only the first two. These next two, these are not in use. Reason I'll tell you now. Let us see. What is Java Standard Edition? First one about Java Standard Edition. Yes, this is completely Java technology. Java technology. Yes, just learning Java technology. Java Standard Edition means completely Java technology. It's a core Java. Simply, it's a core Java. So core Java comes under Java Standard Edition. Yes, if you're learning core Java, then easy to work on Java here. Complete technology learning in core Java itself. Yes, next level, advanced Java frameworks, nothing. They are only for application development. No code. Frameworks don't have any code. In frameworks, all setups will be there. Frameworks are very simple. Only setups you have to understand. Framework setups. Okay, project setups. Okay. So in frameworks also we are going to write core Java code. If you good at core Java, Java is nothing. So advanced is very easy. The frameworks are dead easy. No doubt. Frameworks are very easy. Compared to core Java, frameworks are very simple. So Java Standard Edition, core Java comes under this category. Okay. So first initial learning core Java means that finishing your standard edition. So once standard edition finished here, next enterprise edition. This is very simple. Enterprise edition. See, enterprise edition, this is it's a just application development. Yes, this is for application development. Enterprise edition using for application development. Yes, application development. It's application development. Yes, it's application development. Enterprise edition is for the application development. Applications, apps. See, in our daily life, we are using many applications, right? In our daily life, there are many applications we are using. See, in our mobile, there are many applications, right? In your mobile, many applications. Which is mostly used application in your mobile? Anyone, can you answer this? Which is mostly used application in your mobile? Which one you using here? Anyone, can you answer this? Yes, someone answering, I think. Yeah, WhatsApp. Good. WhatsApp. So WhatsApp, it has become mandatory in our life. So WhatsApp. Right? Most used application. WhatsApp. Okay. Yes, maybe phone pay using here. WhatsApp. Yes, phone pay. So mostly WhatsApp and next to phone pay, right? Phone pay and next sometimes Facebook. Okay. If you want to relax something here, some entertainment purpose, maybe using some Facebook, sharing something. Okay, Facebook. Okay, next Insta sometimes. Okay. Yes, next banking applications, banking apps. So daily your needs, banking application. Next, apart from online trading applications, yes, online trading like Amazon online trading applications. Next, Flipkart, yes, maybe food delivery applications like that. Okay, so these are applications. Okay, this kind of application to develop this kind of applications, enterprise edition. So enterprise edition, this is using for application development, So this kind of applications, even Zoom application also, Zoom, that meeting app, right? Google Meet and all these here. So their applications, yes, for application development, you can say enterprise edition. In enterprise edition, yes, in this advanced Java, yes, advanced Java and frameworks. Frameworks comes on this category. Advanced Java and frameworks. Yes, what is framework? I'll explain. What is exactly framework? We'll discuss. I'll explain. Just wait for some time. Okay. So advanced Java and frameworks comes under enterprise edition. Okay. Yes, with enterprise edition, yes, what kind of application you can develop here? Like internet-based applications. Internet-based applications. Yes, most of the applications are internet-based applications. Okay. Most of the applications, internet-based applications. Like yeah, like banking applications, okay, maybe WhatsApp, phone pay, Google Pay, so Facebook, Insta. Next, some different applications like food industry. Okay, and next, pharma industry, maybe software companies, hardware companies, management companies, management applications, right? School management, college management, like it's all internet based applications. Most of the internet based applications developed in Java. 90% of internet applications are developed in Java. Internet based applications. Next, presently ERP applications also we are developing in Java. So previously ERPs like Oracle ERP and SAP ERP is there. Okay, ERP, that yes, ERP, enterprise resource planning, means companies management. Yes, big enterprise, big companies. Okay, large scale industry, enterprise. To manage that ERP is using. So previously Oracle ERP and SAP ERP, but they are very costly. Since licensing is cost, most of the clients using Java. Java for ERP application development using Java, because Java is a freeware and no maintenance in Java, right? Yes, ERP applications, even big data applications also, big data apps also. Yes, developing Java, internet-based applications, ERP applications, big data applications. These are developing Java. For this purpose, we have the enterprise edition frameworks. Okay. So what kind of frameworks we are using Java here? What is framework? I'll explain. Just wait. Frameworks. Okay. Yes, first initially Java framework starts, but outdated. Starts framework. Yes, is outdated. Very old framework, outdated. Nowhere using it, outdated. Outdated. And next, yes, next Hibernate framework. Yes, Hibernate is a alternative to EJB. Old one is EJB. For EJB, alternative Hibernate. That Hibernate frameworks. Okay. Next, yes, Spring. Next is Spring framework. Okay, Spring framework, and then yes, Spring Boot framework, and then yes, next Spring framework. Yes, Spring Boot. Next, microservices framework. Yes, microservices. See, microservices using payment gateway. Suppose in e-commerce application or in payment gateway, we have to use microservices. Yes, presently we are developing e-commerce application. In e-commerce applications, we are using microservices. Okay, microservices for the payment, integrating with payment gateway. Integrating with payment gateway, we are using microservices. Okay, and then Hadoop, Hadoop and Spark. So Java frameworks, Hadoop and Spark frameworks. So these are such Java frameworks using for the big data handling to store and process big data. Hadoop. Okay, like that there are many frameworks. Okay, like many frameworks. So Oracle application framework, OAF is there. Next, yes, ADF, framework. Like this, there are many frameworks. Okay, next. So one more. So Oracle EB's, yes, EB's framework is there. But like that, there are many frameworks are there. Okay, there are many frameworks in Java. Out of these most popular things, these things: Hibernate, Spring, Spring Boot, microservices. Of course, Hadoop, Spark, that is different. That is different. Okay, Hadoop and Spark is different. So this is Java, purely Java. For Hadoop and Spark, that is somewhat different. After finishing core Java, then you have to go to Hadoop, and that is different field. Big data field, that is different. Okay, this is for big data handling, Hadoop and Spark. Big data handling, here code is Java code only. These are Java application development. So these are most important framework. See, OAF and ADF, these things are there, but little bit. Okay, very less openings are there. So these are mostly used frameworks. Mostly used frameworks. Okay. Okay, fine. So what is exactly framework? So what is a framework? Yes, let me explain. What is a framework? So what's a framework? So what's a framework? See, framework is a, yes, is a collection of ready-made services. Collection of ready-made services. Okay. So collection of ready-made services. Framework is a collection of ready-made services. Means all predefined services. All predefined services. All predefined. All predefined services. All predefined services. Framework is a all predefined services. Okay. So when using framework, we are not going to write any code. All predefined services available. So for example, database, application working database, the predefined code is available. Database coding, yes, database coding, predefined coding is available. So we are not going to write any pre-code in for database. Like that, where there are predefined, suppose emailing service. Yes, emailing service. So for this also predefined code is available. So predefined code, suppose application sending emails. Java application sending emails. Emailing service already predefined code is available. Emailing service, next logging, a logging service. There are predefined service available here. Predefined service available. So we are not going to write any code. Okay, like this, there are various services here. Okay, next. Yes, logging service next. Yes, file handling services like Excel, XML, JSON, like the different types of file handling services. That all that services available here, file handling. Okay, like that, all predefined. There are many predefined services available here. Okay, these services simply just plug into your application and build application. Okay, all predefined services just plug in, just only plug in, plug in into your projects and build it, build it, build it. Okay, build the project, right? Build it here. So if you're using frameworks, we are not going to write any code. Okay. Yes, if writing any code, that is core Java code simply. Yes, in core Java itself, learning code, that code using in application development. For application development, we are using all the frameworks. In frameworks, all are predefined services. All are predefined services. So we are not going to write any code here. Just we are using predefined services and plug into project. Plug into projects. For plugin purpose, we have to write some code. That code is a core Java code. Using core Java code, we can plug in into our projects and we can build it simply here. Okay. So with the frameworks, yes, main advantage of frameworks, we can reduce the codes. I'll tell you some example, best example, some real-time example for frameworks. Suppose bridges construction. Bridges construction. For example, best example, bridges construction. Yes, what is happening nowadays? Yes, simply here, just raising pillars. Okay. Yes, raising pillars on top of pillars. Simply bridges construction nowadays. Just raising pillars. Okay. Even to raise the pillars also using completely machinery. Manually, no one doing it completely machinery. Yes, reasoning pillars. Next, on top of pillars, what they are doing? Pillars, on top of pillars, just assembling blocks. They are bringing blocks and assembling blocks, right? Assembling blocks. Okay. So previously, old days, what was happened? They used to lay the bridge completely here. Bridge construction, raising pillars and laying bridge, lot of time taken. No, but nowadays, yes, on top of pillars, they are assembling blocks, simply bringing blocks readily available, the blocks readily available, and bringing blocks assembling. So this is nothing but, yes, like a framework. In framework, everything is readily available. Simply we are taking framework services, assembling into application and building application. Same exact like this. Okay. So you can on top of pillars, just assembling blocks, right? Blocks readily available. So ready-made blocks, nothing but it's a framework. So framework is something like a ready-made blocks. Next, one more example. Ready-made houses, right? Yes, ready-made houses. Ready-made houses. Yes, in ready-made houses. Everything is readily available. All are readily available, like walls, doors, roof, ceiling, and all these steps and everything readily available. Simply taking all this assembling and house is ready. Within 1 day, they will finish the work. Within 1 day, constructing house. That is nothing framework. Readily available. Yes, in a house here, every component readily available. Taking that components of house here, just only, yes, assembling and house is ready within 1 day, right? Framework is exactly like a ready-made house. Okay. Yes, in ready-made house, every component is available. Yes, in frameworks also readily every component is available here. Using that component building projects. So you can advantage of frameworks. So advantage of framework. Yes, advantage of frameworks. Yes, if you good at core Java, frameworks are nothing. Don't think frameworks are tough. Framework is very simple and easy to understand. Frameworks. Okay. Yes, advantage. Yes, we can reduce code. First of all, yes, we can reduce the code. We can reduce the code. So much coding is not necessary. We can reduce the code. We can reduce the code here. We can reduce the code. Yes, next. Yes, we can reduce time of development. Yes, if you able to reduce the code, we can reduce time of development here. Time of development. Time of development. We can reduce time of development. Okay, right? Next. So reducing time of development, reducing code means yes, even yes, less code we are writing means big team is not necessary. Even small team also can build the applications. Even 5 to 6 team is enough. Okay, to build the even large scale application also we can build in, yes, with the 5 to 6 team only here, the development team. So we can reduce expenditure also. We can reduce expenditure. We can reduce expenditure. Framework advantage, these all these things here. We can reduce expenditure, right? Next, yes, apart from this, yes, we can reduce time, right? Means short time. The project can be delivered in short time. So here, yes, project can be delivered. Yes, customer nowadays expecting in short periods. Yes, even some customers are asking delivery within 15 days. They are giving 2 weeks time only. 2 weeks time, 2 weeks, 3 weeks. So maximum they are giving 1 month time only here. Okay, project can be delivered. Project can be delivered. Project can be delivered in a short period. In a short period. In a short period. Okay, short period, right? See, to deliver short periods, now presently most of the companies using agile methodology. Agile methodology. Yes, in project development, agile methodology. Yes, if you following agile methodology, we can deliver the project in short time. Yes, agile methodology. Yes, with agile methodology, yes, we can deliver the projects in short time. See, previously we had different methodologies like waterfall methodology, okay, spiral methodology, various methodologies are there. Yes, SDLC, software development life cycle, different methodologies. With the old methodology, taken a lot of time. Okay, with old methodology, complete project delivering at a time. Maybe after 1 year, delivering project. After 2 years, delivering. That is old methodology. But After agile methodology. Yes, agile methodology. So what is exactly agile methodology? Suppose there are 100 requirements in the project. There are 100 requirements in the project. But initially we are not going to develop 100 requirements at a time. Initially taking 5 requirements and developing, testing and releasing. Next. So for 5, yes, totally there are 100 requirements. 100 requirements, right? 100 requirements. But we are not going to develop 100 requirements. In old methodology, all 100 requirements developing and delivering to client, that will be taken for 1 year or 2 years. But in agile methodology, we'll take only most important, most important requirements. Okay, 5 requirements, developing, testing and delivering. So client will receive 5 that most important requirements, okay, within 2 or 3 weeks. Within 2 or 3 weeks, delivering that project. Within 3 weeks completed. So important, highest priority requirements, developing release to client. So client is taking, they will start working with that highest priority requirements. Next taking next 5 requirements and developing, testing, releasing. Next 5 requirements, developing, testing and releasing here. Okay. So these complete requirements, just delivering, developing, testing and delivering bits and pieces. The project developing, testing and delivering in bits and pieces. That is agile methodology. Okay. So if you are developing, testing, delivering in a bits and pieces, that is agile methodology. Okay. So with this strategy, most of the clients are satisfying. Okay. So highest priority requirements we are taking initially and developing, testing and delivering to client. So client satisfaction. So within 2 weeks, they are getting projects. They will start working on first 5 requirements. Next, at the same time, we'll develop next 5 requirements and deliver to client. So client will be working these 10 requirements. So at the same time, working on next 5 requirements. So bits and pieces. That is agile methodology. Okay. Yes, agile methodology. Next is Scrum meetings. Next is sprint and all that. I'll take separate session. Okay. At the end of the course, I'll take a separate session on agile methodology. What is agile methodology? Next, what is productive? Backlog, sprint backlog. Next, Scrum meetings, Scrum master, product owner. There are different terminologies, and all that I will take separately. One day I will take it. Just a matter of one session is enough. I'll take separately. Okay, fine. So here with the help of frameworks and agile methodology, with these strategies, we are able to deliver the project within a short time. So project can be delivered in a short period. One more advantage of the framework here. One more advantage. See, frameworks developed by the experts, right? Frameworks developed by the experts. Since experts, yes, it's a quality. Suppose if we are developing as a 3 to 4 years experience Java resource, suppose 5 years or 10 years Java resource developing project, maybe chance of getting many bugs in live. See, development is different, production is different. In production, in live, chance of getting many bugs. Okay. So in development using sample data, in testing also using sample data. Yes, in sample data, maybe project working. But when project is facing live data, again getting bugs. So if we are developing, yes, we are not experts. Maybe 5 years experience, 10 years experience, we are not experts, right? So maybe chance of getting bugs. But in frameworks developed by the experts. Since experts, bugs are very less. The chance of bugs are very less, means quality product. So you get quality products. Yes, quality products. Quality product can be delivered to client. Quality product can be delivered to clients. Can be delivered to client. Quality product can be delivered to client, right? So generally, what is client expectations? Client expectations. Yes, any client expectations. See, client expectations. Client client expectations. Yes, client expecting for, yes, quality products with less cost, yes, in a short period. This is client expectation. Yes, nowadays client expectation here. Okay. Yes, the client always expecting for quality product with less cost in a short period. These are client expectations, right? Yes, the frameworks, yes, meeting the client expectations. So if not using frameworks, lot of time. Yes, before 2010, before 2010, we don't have this kind of frameworks. So taken lot of time. Yes, after frameworks came to the picture, yes, within short time, we are able to deliver the projects. We are able to finish the project in short time with less cost and quality. So the client expectations. So frameworks advantage is that. I hope you understand framework, right? Framework is something like a ready-made house. Every service available readily. Okay, in frameworks, all predefined services, all are available readily here. Just to plug into project, build it here. Within short time, you can finish. That is about framework. Okay, fine. Next year. So this is Java overview. Java overview. Next, one more thing here. See, so standardization, enterprise cleared. Micro edition. The mobile application development, but not in use. Mobile application development alternative Android. Android is most popular. Industry using Android. So this is not necessary to learn. So leave it. Java effects. This is for visual effects in movies. Movies like Avatar 1 and 2 movies, right? Avengers. Okay. Avengers, Avatar 1 and 2, and then um, Cameron. James Cameron, he will use visual effects most in his movies. Yeah, Telugu film, yes, Indian movies Rajamouli. He'll be using visual effects, right? Okay. Yes, like Bahubali 1 and 2. Okay, Triple R like this. Visual effects. Further place Java. But here, this also not in use for this. Yes, Premiere software is available. Adobe from Adobe's Premiere software is available. So these two editions are not in use here. So micro edition, this is for the mobile application development. Android, alternative Android is available. It's most popular. Yes, Java effects, visual effects for this purpose is Premiere software from Adobe. Premiere software from Adobe using here. So these two are not in use. So as a Java developer, you have to focus only these two areas. Other editions are not necessary. Okay, right? So this is complete Java history. Okay. So next, one more point we have discussed here. Why Java has this much of popularity? Let us say about popularity. Everyone talking about Java, Java, Java. Why Java has this much of popularity? Reason, Java popular. Yes, since 25 years, Java is going on. Okay, since 25 years, the development is going in Java, right? Yes, most of the applications, see these kind of applications. One second. Yeah, these applications developed in Java. Okay, see most of the internet-based applications developed in Java. Yes, nowadays most of the internet-based applications developed in Java. Okay. Yes, internet, how many applications, lakhs of applications, like school management, college management, food industry, pharma industry, next, hotel management, okay, next, yes, healthcare industry, insurance industry, and banking industry. Like this, most of the applications developed in Java, lakhs of applications, since 25 years development going on, no technology for such a long period. Since more than 25 years development going in Java here. Okay, so here, yes, lakhs of applications, more than 1 million of applications developed in Java. More than 1 million of applications running in Java here. So 1 million means 10 lakhs. 10 lakhs, right? More than 10 lakhs of applications, more than 1 million of applications developed in Java. Okay, see, now question is here. Yes, not in development here. Support required, right? support required. After developing support required, yes, to support, yes, the 10 lakhs of apps. Yes, to support the 10 lakhs of apps. Yes, 10 lakhs of apps. How many Java developers required here? How many Java resources required? How many Java resources required? Can you guess it? On average 10. 10 into 10 means 1 crore. 1 crore of Java resources required. That is Java requirement in industry. Software industry, 1 crore of Java resources requirement is there. So 1 crore of Java resources working in the software industry. Okay. Yes, more than 1 crore of Java resources working here. Okay, see, in software here, 25% is 25% of software employees are Java employees. Employees are Java employees. Java employees, right? Java employees. Okay. Yes, 25% of software employees are Java employees only here. Yes, you will see Java employees only here. Wherever you go, yes, in software companies, most of the employees are Java employees. Okay. So because of that 25 years, it's happening Java development. That's the reason Java has this much of popularity. Because of its features, okay, clients using Java. That's the reason Java got this much of popularity. Okay, right? Next, one more thing here. Java development started in the year 2000 year, almost from 2000 year, Java application development started, right? Yes, who started a career in 2000 year? Yes, who started career in 2000 year? Means 25 years of career. Okay, they will come out of the coding, right? They may be promoting to next level. Okay, means one generation completed. On Java, one generation completed. That generation has to replace with your generation. Yes, with your generation. That generation, that old generation, one generation complete on Java. That old generation positions, you have to fulfill it. So that's the reason Java is evergreen field. Okay, there are many openings in Java. There are many openings in Java. So try to utilize this one here. So that's all about complete overview. So this is topic for today enough. Okay. Yes. Yes, you guys, any doubts? Yeah, I think it's enough for today. Yes, tomorrow we'll start that. Yes, actual topic. So this is complete Java overview. Any doubts, guys?
After Java, we have to learn framework, Spring.
Yeah. Yes, Spring. Yes, I'll tell you. Yes, how to learn and all that. I'll be taking that frameworks also. Okay. Right. Yeah. 1 second. Just a minute.